Battery replacement tutorial for extended battery module of professional and smart app Sinewave UPS series. Important notice. Before installation, please read the safety precautions that can be found in the user's manual, quick start guide, and or other related documents. To start, fully push the buttons at both sides of the front panel to the top to remove the front panel. Loosen the 4 screws from the right battery compartment covers. Then, loosen the 4 screws from the left battery compartment covers and remove the 2 covers. Disconnect the black pins from both sides. Then, disconnect the black and red connectors from both sides. Pull on the plastic tags to remove the battery packs. Replace with 2 new battery packs. Connect the black and red connectors from both sides. Then, connect the black pins from both sides. Make sure the connection is properly seated. To reinstall the 2 battery compartment covers, make sure to slide the cover inside the battery compartment and tighten the screws on both sides. To replace the front panel, fully push the button at both sides of the front panel. Insert the panel's latches onto the slots to secure. Now that you have completed the battery installation, it's time to test it. First, remove the connector cover on UPS by loosening the 2 screws. Then, connect the EBM connector plug to the UPS socket. Make sure the connector colors correspond with the UPS socket. Secure the connector plug to the UPS by fastening the 2 screws. And connect the EBM to the UPS with BM cable. Now, you can run a battery test by using the UPS LCD panel. First, press the menu button when the UPS is in line mode to enter the setup menu. Scroll to About and press Enter. Scroll to UPS battery information and press Enter. Then, you will see BM status. Press Enter and scroll down to the corresponding EBM number to see battery status. Once you finish checking the battery status, you may press the ESC button to return to normal operation. Finally, remember to reset the battery replacement date by using PowerPanel software or an installed remote management card. You may also test the battery by using PowerPanel software or an installed remote management card.